Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn chapter 7, problems on fundamental operations. Which are fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called fundamental operations in mathematics. And we started learning these from the lower classes only. Now we are going to solve the problems related with all these. There are two types of questions are coming in this chapter. One type is only with problems with plus and minus signs. And another type of questions are with plus, minus, multiplication and division signs. First, today we are going to learn only the problems based on plus and minus signs. Okay children, let's start. We can see the question here, 6284 minus 1702 plus 2713 minus 4153. Here you can see minus sign here, plus sign here, minus sign here. What is the sign of a number? The sign which is written before the number, that is the sign of that number. You can see here 6284. What is the sign of 6284? No sign is given before the number. It means the sign of this number is plus. Now, what is the sign of 1702? Minus sign. You can see before the number minus sign is there, and this is the sign of this number. Now next number is 2730. What is the sign of 2730? Plus. Plus sign is written before the number. And what is the sign of 4153? Minus sign. Because minus sign is written before this number. You can see two numbers are with plus signs and two numbers are with minus signs. Now, when the questions comes of this type, we do this in three steps. In first step, what we do? We add the numbers with plus signs. First, what we do? We add the numbers with plus signs. In the second step, what we do? We add the numbers with minus signs. Then you may be thinking, it is minus sign and why we are adding? See, we are not adding, we are bringing them together. Both minus sign numbers, we are bringing them together. Then we subtract it from the plus signed numbers. Then first step, what we do? Add the numbers with plus signs. Second step, what we do? Add the numbers with minus signs. Then in the third step, what we do? From the first sum, we minus the second sum. From the sum of the plus signed ones, we minus the sum of minus signed ones. Let's start. First, 6284 plus 2730. We are going to add the numbers with plus signs. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. Now, next second step, what we are going to do? We are going to add the numbers with minus signs. 1702 and 4153. 1702 and 4153. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. We got two sums. One is the sum of addition sign ones and second one is the sum of subtraction sign ones, minus sign ones. Now from this answer we are going to minus this answer. That is the third step, 8997 minus 5855. From the first answer, we have to minus the second answer. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 8 minus 5, 3. We got the answer 3142. You can write here the sum of plus sign ones 8997 minus the sum of minus sign one 5855 is equal to 3142. This is our final answer. We can do one more question. In this question you can see 4617 minus 2038 minus 835. In the first question we had 2 with the plus signs and 2 with the minus signs. Then we did the question in three steps. First we added the plus sign one, then we added the minus sign one, then from the first answer we minus the second answer. Here only 3 numbers are there and only one number is there with plus sign 1. Then we can avoid that first step of adding the plus sign ones because we have only one number with plus signs. Now second step we can do 2 numbers are with minus signs. We can add them together. 2038 plus 835. 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 0, 8, 2. We got the number 2873. This is the sum of minus signed numbers. Now third step we can do from the plus sign 1. Instead of subtracting from the sum of the plus sign, we are having only one number. So we are going to subtract from the plus signed number. From 4617, we are going to subtract the sum of minus signed numbers. 2873. 7 minus 3, 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 5 is there. Then we can borrow again. 15 minus 8, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. We got the answer 1744. You can write here the plus sign number minus sum of minus sign numbers 2873 is equal to final answer 1744. These kind of exercises we have learned in class 3 also. Hope you all understood.